Hijab does not cover up the girl's beauty, but in fact, it displays her strength, commitment, and confidence. With her built out of love for her Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You look at me and you call me oppressed, simply because of the way I'm dressed. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all wonderful people. To your audience and respected dignitaries, with immense sincerity, I, Suriya Mushtaq, I stand here the days to deliver a speech on hijab. And I'm sure, through this wonderful platform of Alpha English Academy, my message on hijab, my love for hijab, my respect for hijab, my emotions attached with hijab will spread across the world, inshallah. A woman modestly dressed is like apparel in its shop. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran that, O Prophet, peace be upon him, tell your wives and your daughters and the women of the believers to draw their veils all over their bodies when they step out of their houses. Hijab does not cover up the girl's beauty, but in fact, it displays her strength, commitment, and confidence. With her built out of love for her Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and not for the love of this temporary life. Some people claim that wearing hijab is going back the prehistoric period. Well, that's not true. Such people fail to realize that actually being half naked is going back to the Stone Age. Very often this question arises that why do a Muslim woman wear hijab? Let me answer this question to the world, that the beauty of the woman is for their husband, for their man, and not for the mankind. Dear sisters, even though a man is responsible for his gaze, you too are responsible for what you gave him to gaze at. Dear brothers, coming to you, where is your iman? Where is your hijab? Why do you look from woman to woman instead of lowering your gaze? One should know that Islam is both man and woman equal. The Holy Quran says, modesty is the crown of the lady. I wrap up a speech with a beautiful bomb. You look at me and you call me oppressed, simply because of the way I'm dressed. You know me not for what's inside. You judge the clothing I wear with pride. I am an individual, I'm not man's slave. It's Allah's pleasure that I only crave. How I will be heard, for in my heart I carry his word. Man doesn't tell me to dress the way. It's a law from Allah that I obey. Oppressed is something I'm truly not, for liberation is what I have got. I can climb the mountain, across the sea, expand my mind in all degrees. For Allah himself gave us liberty when he sent Islam to you and me. I end up my talk with a message that it has been a great experience to share my words with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day ahead.